Hi, this is Angie with the Improvement Channel. Today I will be unboxing, flying, and reviewing the Idea 16 brushless motor drone. I own several drones and I'm excited to add this to my collection, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, let's do this. Oh, this is a nice case. Oh, really nice. We have the drone. There's the controller. Battery. 2 batteries, nice. This is the plug, and we have the instructions. Okay, let's see what's included. We've got the charging cord. Oh, nice. There's some extra blades. That is really helpful. Looks like 4 extra blades. And then it includes a small little screwdriver, and there's also 2 little screws. Okay, let's get this set up. I can't wait to fly it and review it. This was extremely easy to connect. All I had to do was connect the phone to the drone and we're ready to fly. I really loved that this drone had intelligent obstacle avoidance and optical flow altitude holding. I was very impressed with the high definition camera and really enjoyed the 360 flips. This drone has multifunctional flight capabilities and an upgraded brushless motor. The drone had really high quality materials like modular battery for enhanced safety and long flight times. Overall, I had a great experience with this drone. It was very easy to set up, connect, and fly.